Okay, are you ready for a 10K challenge? I'm gonna be walking 10,000 steps every single day for the next 30 days. I will be updating you in my shorts if you would like to join me. What a better way to come back to this channel and say hello to you. I've missed posting. I post a ton in my shorts and I would love to see you there. I was looking at my analytics the other day and I noticed that a lot of my views are from new viewers. So hello to you, new viewer. If you're new here, remember to follow. To my OGs, hey girl, hey, I've been missing in action. As you can see, I'm in a different place. The last time we spoke, we were house hunting. Things have taken a turn. I'll say that. I will keep you updated, but right now I can't say things have taken a turn, but I am going to be posting here again. I would love to see you. This is a quick update to ask you to join me in my 10,000 steps a day. Like I said, I'll be updating the shorts, so you'll mostly find me there. So my plan is to check here in every week and do a weekly vlog. We can make this a 10K challenge announcement, and I'm going to do a haul really quick because let me get the bag. All right, so this is gonna be the Crate and Barrel segment because I've been needing to do a haul with some of the things I picked up at Crate and Barrel. Let me show you. I got this cozy soft throw. It's so good. Let me bring it closer. It's so soft. Let me see if that's in focus. Yeah, it is. It's so super soft. So I have that. And then I've also picked up some new covers for the couch pillows. I already have the inserts, but look at this color. This is gonna look amazing back there on the couch. On the pictures there, this color is gonna look amazing for fall. I'm gonna be decorating soon. As much as I'm reluctant for it to be fall, I love the fall season so much. And since moving to the South, I appreciate it even more because it doesn't get drastically cold afterwards. Being on the East Coast and up north, it's so cold once the fall season ends. And winters here feel like fall, but with a bit more rain. So I am loving being in the South. People are so nice and sweet. I used to hear all sorts of things about Southerners, but I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. Let's go get some steps in. I'm about 4,000, 5,000 steps away from my goal for the day. Of course, I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna post it in the shorts. Join me. And like I said, if you're new here, remember to follow and I'll see you soon. Also, I'm gonna be doing a styling video for the fall, probably in the next week or so. I hope to see you there. And it's so great to be back. It's so great. See you. Bye.